Our Reggae Nation sits to have a chat with Chronixx after his performance at International Night 2 at Reggae Sumfest 2013. Chronixx, big up yourself. How are you doing?
Give thanks and praise. Rastafari, we're doing good, by the strength of the Almighty.
Okay, Chronixx, this year Reggae Sumfest celebrates 21 years. Can you comment on their position in the industry as the propagator of reggae music?
Yeah, Sumfest tends to showcase some of the greatest on one of the best stages, So them have them place in the industry, and there's still a lot more that can be done, but it is not required that we get it right, for the 21st times, for the 21 times, So, we expect Sumfest to grow from here, and, we expect to see even more festivals, because I think a little more competition will, kind of up the thing, And it's good competition because we are encourage each other. We not try to run nobody out of business, but we just try to say, Mr. Sumfest, get the thing together because, So, yeah, it's a great feeling. We hope to see more because there's a lot more reggae festivals in all over the world. So I think Jamaica can do a lot more with our talents, and Sumfest is a real pioneer in that.
Chronixx, you're due to release an EP. Can you tell us the name and the scheduled time for release?
Well, I can look forward for the EP around the ending of August. The EP is called Dread and Terrible East and Secle and Cease. And I could trample the beats and welcome man from out the east, and we say cease. Babylon, when time I see the reggae revival in the streets. Wheel out Secle and Cease now. Dread and Terrible.
Okay, Chronixx, thank you so much. Our Reggae Nation with Chronixx at the International Night 2 Reggae Sumfest 2013.